Okay, as I mentioned earlier, I use the Photoscape tool to edit my photos. So I upload them, I take them with my phone, and then I upload them because I like to edit them and I like to watermark them. I've had people actually say, is this a stock photo? Because my photos come out so well. So that's very nice. So as you can see, I have the white background, and black is tough. Sometimes I don't have good luck with taking black. I'll end up taking them outside. But these came out pretty good. I'm happy with the way that they look. And just to give you an idea, I'll click on crop, and then I'll crop my photo. And then I will go to object and include my watermark. And usually the watermark is recommended by eBay to go in the bottom right corner. And then I just go to the next one. And I can edit these fairly quickly. Crop. And then I will rotate. Add my watermark. See how nice they come out? I love this editing tool, and like I said, I have Photoshop, but this is so fast and it comes out so nice, and it's easy. It lets me slap in that watermark, which I like to do for branding reasons and to let people be reassured this is not a stock photo, that I did take this photo. And I'll edit. First I'll crop, put a square around each item, watermark it, and on to the next one. Sorry about that noise. And now I'm just showing underneath the typewriter so that everybody can see how clean this device is. Object, watermark, next. Crop, object. Now this is the typewriter that I picked up at a yard sale, which you saw in the previous video. Jimmy and I stopped at this yard sale, and the lady actually had $25 on it, and I got it for $15. So I hope to do well with this. I did look it up before I purchased it, so I knew that it was a good investment. Crop. I want people to be able to see the edge wear on this, so hopefully this will show it clear. If not, I think I need to brighten this one up a little bit. So I'm going to go to brighten. Make it a little bit brighter. There we go. Now I will insert my watermark. And Ask Danna, AskDanna, that is my eBay store. So I try to include that as part of my watermark for branding reasons. They can see the inside of this. eBay allows you up to 12 photos. It's always not necessary to have 12, but it does help to include. Thank you, my darling husband, who's giving his friendly tips from the other room. He's actually in the other room taking photos of items in our photo center. Whoops, I don't want to backlight that. I'm going to sharpen that a little bit. I can click on sharpen. There we go. That made it look more crisp. And that is the last photo. So that is 12. And now I'm ready to upload these on eBay.